I've been looking at how many brackets you need for this exhaust system, and I don't know, there's enough here to cause a headache. So, and this is only the tail section apparently. So I've had to look on my phone to find out where all this lot goes together, and yeah. Then we've got this bag here, which I think is near the axles side. Where have we got this? I don't know. I'm guessing these fibre washers here are vibration. I mean, I'm right saying that or what? And then you got these rubber things. I mean, they go. I don't know. Let's see. Obviously, it's very poor. I think this guy must have, whoever's been restoring this car, must have run out of money on the exhaust. Because the exhaust has seen better days. But I was looking at the bump stock there, that's had some welding. This has had some red lead paint put on it, this shock absorber style thing. I took it for a quick drive around the block the other day, and I did notice there was a knocking noise from the back. I think that might have something to do with it. Anyway, the job was tying up. Right, now we've got the front section of the pipe to take off, and I've also got some interesting bolts. Let's have a look at these. Oh yeah, got some interesting bolts up there as well. Lovely. Yeah, if you're going to get these exhaust bolts out, you're going to need to get the big guns out. Get the old Oxy City bottle out and give them some good heatage, because these fellas are not for moving. Obviously you've got to be careful, the carburetors above these exhausts, so yeah, we've got to be careful with the old torch. We don't want too much flameage coming out of here, because we just want to make sure these nuts are absolutely glowing before we put our socket on there. I've done 4 already, so this is number 5, and I've got 1 which is a bolt. It's actually not a nut, it's a bolt going through, so someone might have been here before. But I think that's lovely and glowing now. Get this socket up there. There you go. Starts to tighten up again. I'll have to go back with some more heat, because the last thing I want to be doing is taking the manifold off and drilling these manifold bolts out, because that is just a nightmare. Success. Good off. All the bolts came out freely. Beautiful. Oh, I've got a bit of a twisted one there, you can see it there. That one there, just twisted a little bit. Oh, it's had too much heat on it, but at least it didn't snap. Yeah. Let me tell you, they were tight them. That exhaust has been on for some years. It was tight getting off, and when I was hitting it with the hammer, you could just hear it, how thin it was. So, yeah. Anyway, we've got a beautiful shiny one. Look at that. Hey, look at the workmanship in this. That's lovely, that. I'm happy with that. You've got a little bend on the end there to go around that chassis member that goes across. Got to suss out where this bracket goes. Not sure about that. Still got nothing. Lovely, nice shiny bolts. Sorry, nuts. Lovely, lovely. And 2 lovely gaskets. So it's all there. So I'm going to get that lot fastened onto it now. That's it, see, done. That bolt, the front there, that one, yeah, the one that's bent, it's not the best. I don't think I might end up replacing it. If I do, I might not replace them all yet. Anyway, so yeah, that was a bit of the hardest part was getting them bolts out and nuts. Well, that one bolt and the nuts. Obviously I had the oxygen SETI bottles so I could get some heat on it. The exhaust does pass through that curve on the chassis pretty well actually. Lined up pretty well with it. Well, I said it's more than pretty well, so let's just bang on. I've gone for the cherry bomb style. It's a bit of a touring car, isn't it? You know what I mean? Well, I can make it sound like a touring car. There you go. So, moving further onto the back for you. It's all buttoned up and clamped up. I put the clamps facing upwards. Obviously, it's for ground clearance and things. We don't be catching on things and anything like that. You can drag along the floor when you go over things. And further onto the back. Again, exhaust facing upwards. So the exhaust clamp facing upwards. Yeah, pretty good. Yeah, I'm happy with it. So what we'll do now, we'll drop her down on the floor. Fingers crossed it don't blow. Done. She's a good one. There's one thing I've got to show you. Someone's done a modification to this pipe here. I think it should, well, I'm pretty sure it goes into there. It's all part of this air recycling system. So there might be something wrong with the diaphragm inside there. I think that's why someone's blanked it off. So anyway, another job that needs to be sorted out. As long as that water pump as well. Well, there you go, that's the exhaust on. So yeah, that's good. I'm happy with that. Thumbs up. Next job I've got to do is put these lowering springs in. Another little job. I've not found out what these fibre washers are for. Anyone's got any? Let me know. Let me know on the comments below what these fibre washers are for. But anyway, there you go. That's it, thanks for watching. Not a bad job in the end. We'll see some more videos on this little old girl. So thanks for watching, I'll see you again later in a bit.